Hello class, today is Thursday, January 23rd, day A. Today on our agenda, you have started your research projects for your infectious diseases. You will continue to do that. Fifth hour, I do have hard copies for a few of you who requested it. So Thaddeus and Jermaine, those will be on the back table or in the subfolder. So please check with your sub for those things. Today what we want to do is continue the research document. So if you have not started that and you just picked your research yesterday, what you'll do is you'll open this document, and the first thing that you'll do is go through these questions and make sure that you understand, make sure that you answer each question in detail. Okay, don't give me yes or no answers. Really show Mr. Me that you've researched and learned this topic. Second thing is you need to start drawing your disease itself, whether it's a parasite, a bacteria, or a virus. I want a good detailed drawing of what those things are. And also the carrier. So what organism, what carries the disease? Is it a mosquito? Is it a tsetse fly? Is it a bat? Do people get it from other people? Draw the carrier of that or some representation of the carrier. I mean, if you don't know how to draw that specific thing very well, you can do a general drawing of an insect and label it as something else, or do a shadow figure if you don't want to draw a bunch of detail, but show me in some way what those carriers are. Okay, so once you complete that, I would like you to turn that research copy into Canvas. That's something I'll use as a supplement to the grade. Now I'll give you your points based off your poster. So remember, on the research slides, I went over some of those things. Of what needs to be on your poster. Everything that you're doing in the packet somehow, some way needs to be on your poster. All right, so as we went through this disease lesson, use these to remind you of what needs to be on your poster. Also in the assignment directions, I think I put those in there as well and linked the rubric for that. So the 4 areas that are covered in your research document will be put onto your poster in some way, shape, or form. Okay, and I do need 2 drawings on there as well. Don't forget your map of Africa. Okay, maps of Africa are on the back table by your posters as well. So representations of that, you just shade in or color or somehow color code the Africa map to show what areas are affected by your specific disease. Now we are just focusing on Africa, but you can also tell me where else in the world that those things happen. So you will not get done tomorrow with your entire poster, but you may start. One thing I would like you to do is get a scratch piece of paper and lay out how you want your poster to look. Remember, part of the grade also is that your names are all on the poster and that you put the title of your disease in big font on the top. All right, so these are pretty big posters, so you're going to have a lot of room to work with. I do want color on them. I have colored pencils. You can use your own. I do not have glue sticks yet. I'll have those by Friday, so you may not be able to actually add anything to your poster unless you have your own glue stick, which is, again, fine. Going over today's agenda, you will work on your infectious disease. Keep the voice volumes down so people can work effectively. If you finish the research portion, all the questions, please turn those into Canvas and begin structuring your poster. It's going to take a lot of work. You feel free to write out titles and words on different pieces of paper, cut them out in nice ways, or outline them, and then we'll glue them on Friday. If you have any questions, you can email me. I'll try and be around my computer tomorrow. My daughter is sick with influenza A, so that is why I'm gone, and my wife will be in Fort Dodge at a funeral. So we can't take the kids to child care with the flu. So again, I'll try and be around my computer or at least my phone so I can email you back at such times. It may be a little delayed, so please be patient. But have a good day. Please use our Trojan virtues of safe, responsible, and respectful. And let me know if there are any issues that you run into. I appreciate it. Have a great day, Trojans.